A very good afternoon and another Cheshire Cars warm welcome to this 2012 Honda Civic 1.8 ES petrol engine. And with it being the 1.8, it pulls like a train and still does return a remarkable miles per gallon. So a good all-round package. If you're looking for something to be an everyday run around, this car is so easy to drive and park. Power steering, there's parking camera on the rear. Wing mirrors folded in electrically just by a touch of a button. Good vision all round, and a very generous boot and rear passenger compartment. This car was actually previously owned by a very close friend of mine, and the lady's had a brand new Mini, so she's tasked me with retailing the car on her behalf. It's a service that we offer, car sales. We do buy, obviously, most of our cars that we purchase outright, but occasionally we network with people that have become friends over many years. We've been in business 24 years, and Sue has had a new Mini, and she's really serviced and looked after the car extremely well. It's finished in a pearlescent mica paint finish, and I've got one of these lamps that's just shining on the car at the moment, but I've put it there just to hopefully lighten up the inside of the car. I'm going to open the rear door and show you the interior. It's a black interior with a cream headlining, so it's not too dark at all. Very pleasant drive. With the Honda, you've obviously got the Honda reliability, and we have 2 keys, and we have a book pack. We have 6 service stamps in the book, including one only last week, which we engine oiled the vehicle, new engine oil and filter. We also renewed the rear brake pads and discs as part of our PDI inspection. If we find anything at all, especially safety related, then we will change them. You drove the car, you would not have known they were wearing to the end of their life. It's done 52,000, so it's about right when you consider it's had 52,000 miles of engine braking, car braking. Also renewed, we renewed the front brake pads. So brand new front brake pads and brand new rear discs and pads. Also, the vehicle has had a matching set of tyres put onto it, Continentals from memory, so that all tyres are almost brand new, all Continental matching, and she's in great condition. I'll take you into the car in a second. Let me just start with just the front here. It's worth noting the vehicle is available to purchase straight away with our free UK delivery. If you require car finance or a part exchange, please get in touch with me here, David, on 01270 213 811. It has an attractive frontal aspect of the car, not lots of graphite and high gloss black, nice headlights swept into the bonnet line and the bumper, and you also get front fog lights, and you get these LED daylight running lights. It was sold to Sue by Stuart Graham Honda, which is literally a 2 mile, well, not even a 2 mile, 1 mile drive away from here. We're based in Crewe in Cheshire, and we've been established for 24 years next year, so we're very proud of our heritage and reputation, and we have countless many customer reviews, over 100 on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader. So we're just doing the video inside because the light is fading outside, and also it's raining. So that's the panels, nice fabric in the panel, speakers, electric windows, headrest front and rear, also these useful pockets just in the back of the seat. Can you see the interior? There we go, that's the interior, and if I take you up to the headlining, nice headlining there as well. There are plenty of pictures on our website of the interior if you need extra clarity. But free delivery means we'll deliver the car to your home or office, and you only pay for the car once you're happy that you've seen what we've delivered is what we've described, which you will be. We've never had to take one back yet. That is absolutely free. We're one of the few dealers that will do that for you, and this vehicle, barring the MOT, we will renew it from March, so it's up till March now, but we'll be selling it shortly, I'm sure. So the owner will get a fresh MOT as well. There's 3 months warranty. It doesn't affect your statutory rights whatsoever. Very transparent. There's another set of mats in the boot. There's also a set in the car already and you've got a 60-40 split. You also have another storage area which is substantial under the floor. You could fit probably a small suitcase in there and extra items, so plenty of storage. Reverse camera is just there. Actually, reverse camera, and I'll demonstrate that to you when I go in the car. Happily take a part exchange, and be more than happy to give you the market value for that part exchange, especially if it's something we can sell again. But don't worry about part exchange, we can give you a fair price, we don't need to see the car. So Continental tyres, matching, all in great condition. Not sure when Sue had those on, but looking at them, there's probably about 5-6 mil of tread. They're only 8 mil when they're new, 7.5, 8 mil. New brakes rear completely, new pads on the front, and an engine oil change, and the new owner will be getting a fresh MOT. That's a couple of very light marks, just, don't think the camera, maybe just there, not cracked or broken, just a few little marks. Always nice to point out any slight imperfections, although it is 6 years old, of course. Sorry, 7 years old. Most important, it's all the panels fit nicely, and that is your windscreen. There's no stone chips on the screen. I've touched some very small minor stone chips in on the front. This won't pick it up. Probably about half a dozen across the bonnet in places, but nothing rusty, nothing, no dents. And about the same on the front bumper. So that's the outside. Shall we just go inside now, and hopefully it's not too dark. I can actually put the lights on inside. I'll put the lights on inside the car when I go in there. But a beautiful cockpit, way in advance of its time. I did have the first one of these about 10 years ago, 2.2 diesel. I drove it back from Yorkshire, and we've been buying and selling them ever since. It's got a full range of switches on the driver's door, 4 electric windows, open and locking on the doors. There's your electric mirrors. Just press that button, the mirror folds in both sides. Very useful if you're in a slightly tight area. Multifunction steering wheel, including Bluetooth and cruise control, along with voice controls for the radio and sound system. Very comfortable seating, centre armrest storage, 6-speed gearbox. And let me just hop in, and I will put the lights on. Let me just press the light there, press the light there. I've got the service book out. Before I sort of videoed the car, I just like to have a look around. But Sue's a family friend, and a very delightful friend at that. And I know she's really enjoyed this car, really has looked after it very, very well indeed. So with the Honda, you've got the sort of double dashboard. You've got the dash there with the revs on, just there you can see it moving. Left is the temperature, and right is the fuel. And you sweep back into this steering wheel here, and you've got the center area here, radio, CD even. Could be a multi-disc, I'm not sure. You've got your controls here for the telephone, etc. My phone's connected at the moment. Air conditioning, digital climate control. You can alter the temperature one side to the other, so you can have 19 on one side and 21 on the other. There's your 6-speed gearbox. You've got a 12-volt power socket just there. You've got extra storage in there with a slider, which is useful. You've got storage, I guess, in there. Yep, you've got storage, and you've got a cable. You've got AUX, power output, and a USB. That's all good. Yep, so a very nice car in great condition. I'm sorry the light is somewhat fading, but the seats are in great condition as well, and very comfortable, very smart, soft, and very supportive. Very good indeed. Let's just have a look at the... Did I mention outside that Sue had a battery replaced by the AA about a month ago? So there's a receipt there, and that comes with a 5-year guarantee, the battery, so that's even better than what we would get in the high street. Pay a little bit more for it, but it's £100 actually. But it's worth a 5-year guarantee, I guess. We've got 6 service stamps in the book, and the last service was, there you go, 2nd of the 12/19 at 52,804 miles. And it's done 52,000 I don't know if it'll focus in there. 52,810 miles. So it's done 8 miles, is it? 8 miles? Sorry, 6 miles from its service. Brand new engine oil and oil filter renewed. So that's our 2012 Honda Civic 1800 petrol engine, available now from Cheshire Cars in Crewe in Cheshire, with our comprehensive 3 months warranty. You can have a copy of the workshop inspection by all means. We'll give you that. We handle all the bookwork, DVLA registrations. We can do a cherished number plate transfer if you require, give you advice on that. We have got a useful video on YouTube about that, actually, how to acquire a cherished number and remove one from a vehicle and put it on retention. So that's all on YouTube. Our YouTube channel is with Cheshire Cars, so please do take time to look at that if you're so interested. That's all from me on this beautiful Honda Civic. Hope to hear off you very, very soon. You can contact me directly, David, on 01270 213 811. I'll have a fantastic day, and we hope to hear off you or see you very, very soon indeed. Thank you.